Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit or fix radio button name or rename radio button name using Foxit PDF Editor. And this is my fillable PDF form, and see this radio button not working because this radio button name now different. Now select this form option, and here you will find the select option. Click on this down arrow and select annotation. And see this all of this radio button name different, and now I'll fix this radio button name. Fix this one, I'll make name 1, this one also 1, and since all of this three radio button name now same, general option, now select close, now select hand option, and see this radio button now working. And again go select annotation and drag and select properties, and you can edit or correct it your fillable PDF form radio button name. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.